Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 21st video lecture of class 3 maths. If you open your books to page 48, we have this review page here. Actually, these exercises must be easy for you because they are just review exercise. Write the number names. For the first one here says ones, tens, 100,000, and we have 4 at thousands place, so it must be 4,000. 4,000 and 29. And for the next one, write the number. We have to write the number here. 2952. 2952. The rest of them are for your homework, and write them in the expanded form. Like the first one here is given 7,000 is already written. For the next one, 800 plus 30 plus 2. Now for that one, match the expanding form. It says 5,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 0. The value will become 5,860. And for the next one, write the predecessor of each of the number. We have to write the predecessor which comes before this number. Like this one is 7,002. Its predecessor will be 7,001. The rest of the problems are for homework. We have to determine which one in this pair is successor and which one is in each pair circle the successor. If we look at the first one here, it says 3269 and 3268, so this one is the successor of this number, so it will be circle. Fill in greater than or less than. Now for the first value here, it is definitely lesser than this one because it starts with 3 and it starts with 4. The rest of the problems are for homework. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.